chit chat with you guys while I take down my Bantu knots. I just want to talk a little bit about what we're trying to do with our channel, and my glasses are dirty. And I'm just going to go ahead and take down these Bantu knots right now. Well, I already took down most of them because my hair just takes forever to dry. So these things been drying for like 2 days, okay? And this one is one of them rough ones. It's the one in the front that does not really curl that well on the ends because it's damaged. But anywho, just gonna go ahead and start with the takedown. So I just wanted to chit chat just a little bit about what we have planned for our channel. So I'll start with me. Right now I plan on doing Fro Fridays, and Fro Fridays is going to include me doing any type of like styles with my natural hair. If you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. But it's going to include me doing stylings with my hair. So I'm trying to upload every Friday with either stylings or testing natural products, things like that. My sister, she's doing testing makeup Tuesdays and Thursdays now. So we just want to try to make sure that we are uploading a lot of content for you guys. So so you guys are like looking forward to looking, you know, checking out our videos or whatever. So I mean, we busting out these videos now, and we busting them out. So I'm pretty proud and excited about the channel, where we're trying to take the channel and everything. So that's really what I wanted to come on here and talk about and show you guys how I take down my Bantu knots. Well, I'll say that I have not did a Bantu knot in forever. First of all, I freaking hate the process of Bantu knots. Like, I hate sleeping in them because they hurt. They get really, really tight, but the curls are always bomb. So that's why I like doing them, because of the curls. But other than that, the whole process of like waiting for them to dry and things like that. Now, you know, you can always just, you know, use a hair dryer or a sit up under a dryer or whatever. But if you are trying to do heatless, you know, refrain from using heat, then you wouldn't use that, right? So I'm not trying to use any heat because my hair is already damaged. I just let it air dry for 2 days. We are going to continue doing our DIYs, of course. Right now, I am in my husband's office. This is his office, and at the moment, I'm like waiting for us to finish getting my room together so that I can be able to get more content out. That is the reason why I have not put any content out, because my room isn't complete. And you all know that we bought a home, and it was completely finished. The home was, but we had some issues as far as the previous owners had pets. So we had a really bad pet smell in the home. So we had to take up all the carpet in the home and do new flooring. And we end up still doing carpet, but we had to paint the floors to seal out any odors and things like that, and then redo the floors. So my room is the last room to do. My son KJ's room was the first room that we did. Then we did our den, my husband's office, and then my room was the last room that we needed to complete. Hey y'all, I told y'all I need my ends done bad. But yeah, so once my room is like completely finished, I'll be able to really go in on my videos. I feel like I'll have that privacy that I need to make sure that I'm getting my content out. Right now I have no designated area in the home to do it, and you know, we have a ranch style house, so everything's like pretty much open, and there's really nowhere for me to really do my videos. We have the dogs. We have KJ that's, you know, always mom, 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 mom. And then my husband, if he doesn't see me around, then he's looking for me, and then he coming into the room, and it's just like I don't have that privacy that I need to do my videos and everything. So see what I'm doing to my room. So I'll do like a room tour or decor videos, so you guys can see exactly what I'm, you know, how I decorate my room and everything, because I want it to look really girly and really pretty. So I am going to be doing that. So hopefully we get done pretty soon. We bought the paint to paint the room. We have the carpet to put in the room, and I think I'm going to show you guys the process of that as well. So yeah, I think I took down every knot. I think I did all of them. So yeah, just giving you guys a basically an update on, you know, what we're trying to do with our channel. This actually turned out pretty cute. That's the one thing I do like about Bantu knots. They give the cutest freaking curls. That's what I do like. And I'm not going to try to do a whole bunch of separation with this, because I will have a big frizzy mess. Although I don't mind frizz, I don't want the whole head to be frizzy. So, and since my hair is damaged, it's letting off a lot of freaking frizz, but whatever. I need to I'm in the start putting honey in my deep conditioners, and I usually get deep conditioners that has like cholesterol in it, or egg whites, and anything that is there to, you know, make it stronger. Oh my god, these curls are really pretty. Wonder how it looks on camera. Oh crap, I didn't get my edge control. I kind of need that, don't I? So I'm taking them apart, and I am curling them on the end so I can kind of keep my curl. Not kind of, but so I can definitely keep my curl. And I think with me doing that, it's giving my fro like a lift, as you can say. Okay, I'm gonna leave that alone. Oh, this is cute. Oh my god, y'all, I have not did a Bantu. Oh, really? Okay, I have not did a Bantu knot out in forever. Alright y'all, sorry about that. My camera went out. The battery went out. It died. Yeah, I need to buy me another battery. But anywho, so this is my hair today. This is 5 p.m. So So my hair's been, you know, like this all day. It turned out beautiful. I put some pictures up on my Instagram, and I love Bantu knots. Like, although I don't like the process with sleeping on them and all that stuff, and it take forever to dry, I love Bantu knots. Like, the curls are always like beautiful. Oh my god, I so love these. But I put up a photo on Instagram, and it says trust the process, and this is exactly what it means. Like, although I may not like the process of getting the Bantu knots, the aftermath is bomb. Okay, so right now I'm just going to show you guys what I do to preserve my curls. 3 ways that I prepare my hair for the next day, the night before. Scrunchies that I get from Dollar Tree. I just take one of those and I put my hair up in a high bun. And I do it very loosely, just like that. And then I'll go ahead and put my scarf on. Bam, tie it up, just like that. Or pineapple method without the scrunchie. Same scarf, same exact way that I did the scarf. I pull my hair to the front like this. Bringing your hair up. So bam. Pineapple. So we have that. Pineapple. And this is what it looks like in the back. So we have that. Pineapple. Or another way that I preserve my curls, well, again, then you just shake it out in the morning. Curls are still good, popping, whatever. Or do it that way, I'll retwist, but I'll do really big twists, and I'll just 2-strand them in really big twists, wrap them around each other like I'm doing like a really huge Bantu knot. And then when I take it out, my fro is like humongous. So that's another way. One other way you can do it is just, you can separate your hair into 2 sides. Take that same, here it goes. You can take that same scrunchie that you had before, and I usually do it very low, like this. And you do the banding method. So you just keep going down your ponytail like that, and I usually leave my ends out so that I don't mess up my ends. So I usually do that on each side, and then I'll put my bonnet on top, and that helps to stretch your hair too. So when you take it out, it does not interrupt your curls, but it does expand your hair, so your fro is like huge in the morning. So this one is my ultimate favorite one to do. It works for me every time. I never have any issues as far as my curls not being the same in the morning. The only thing is different that would be different is that your fro has expanded. It's huge. So see, no interruption of the curls. You just have to be very careful not to just yank it out of your hair. So of course you're gonna make your hair frizzy if you do it that way. But those are the ways that I usually preserve my curls so that they last a while. I think the longest my curls has ever lasted with me doing that way may have been like 4 days, I want to say. But yeah, that's it. I'll give you guys another look at what my hair looks like. I did not do any edge control today. I just felt like it didn't need it. Like my fro was just so cute today. I did not need to lay my edges like it was going to take away from the fro. But yeah, this is what it looks like in the back. But yes, honey, oh my god, I really love these. I got so many compliments on my fro today. It was so freaking cute. Anywho, that is the end of my video for the day. And why do I always clap like this? I don't know. But that's the end of my video for today. I love you all for watching, and keep watching, y'all. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video for Real Friday. Bye, y'all.